Hi, Landon. Where's your face? Hi, Landon. Yeah? Are you playing? Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, are you playing with your toys? Landon. Are you playing? Yeah. Oh. Those are his two favorite toys that hang from this playmat. The duck and the panda. He loves. Landon, come over here, baby. Let's get over here. Hello. Hi, honey. Hi. Oh, say hello, family. Say hi, family. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Hi. Yeah? You're so happy. You're so happy. Roll over. Show everybody you can roll over. Show everybody you can roll over. He rolls over better from his stomach to his back. Say excuse me. Say excuse me. Anyways, he rolls better from his stomach to his back. He doesn't really go from his back to his stomach yet. But that's okay. That's okay. What is Bella doing? She's being crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. What did you say? Did you say dada? Did you say dada? What? Oh. Okay, say bye. Say bye-bye. I love you. Say bye. I love you guys.